Morning, my dear students. Let's start number 8 of exercise 12.3 area related to circle from class 10. Question is, the figure depicts a racing track whose left and right ends are semicircular. This is semicircular and this is semicircular. The distance between the two inner parallel line segment is 60 meter. This line is 60 meter. Let this point be D and this is B. This is 60 meter, so half of this will be 30 meter, and this will be the radius of this circle. So we can write small r equal to 30 meter. Next, they each are 106 meter long, means AB equal to 106 meter, DC is 106, PQ and SR all are 106 meter long. Next, if the track is 10 meter wide, means this is 10 meter. If this is 10 meter, then this will be 30 plus 10. So we can write capital R equal to 14 meter. This much we have. If the track is 10 meter wide, find the distance around the track along its inner edge. First one, we have to find the distance around the track along its inner edge. This will be equal to, this is the length, this length is called the distance around its inner edge, and this is length of this semicircle plus this length of semicircle plus this one. So it is equal to 2 into length of two inner semicircle plus this one DC plus PQ plus DC plus PQ. So it is equal to 2 into length of a semicircle, it is half of the circumference of a circle, so half of 2 pi r is pi r, plus DC is 106 meter and PQ is also 106 meter. So 2 into pi is 22 by 7, r equal to 30, plus 106 plus 106 is 212. So it is equal to 3 into 22 is 66, into 2 is 132, and we have a 0 here by 7 plus 212. So this will be equal to, by 7, 1320 plus 7 into 212, it will be 1484. So the final answer for this will be 4. 2 plus 8 is 0, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1 is 8, and 1 plus 1 is 2 by 7, this much meter. Now second bit we have to find, the area of the track. Area of the track. See here, the total track contains, in this side, this is a half of a ring. This one is also half of a ring, because this one is semicircular and this is semicircular. Then this one A, B, C, D, this will be a rectangle. If we join this, P, Q, R, S will be another rectangle, and both the rectangle will be of same area. So this is a semicircle, this is a rectangle, this is another semicircle, and this is a rectangle. So we have to write area of the track equal to 2 into here is half of a ring, 2 into area of half of the ring, plus this is a rectangle and this is a rectangle, 2 into area of rectangle ABCD. because area of this one and area of this one is equal, and area of this one and area of this one is equal. So I have written 2 into this much and 2 into this much. So half of ring is, we know that area of a ring is pi r square minus r square. So it will be half into pi r square minus r square. Pi r square minus r square is the formula for area of ring. Then 1 by 2 is area of half of the ring, plus 2 into area of rectangle. We know the length into breadth. Length is 106 and breadth here is 10. Let's solve this. 2 and 2. 2 and 1 by 2 will be cancelled. Pi is 22 by 7. R is 40 here. Square minus small r is 30 square, plus 2 into 106 is 212 into 10. So 22 by 7, 40 square is 1600 and 30 square is 900. 1600 minus 900 is 700, plus 2120. 700 by 7 is 100 into 22 is 2200. 2200 plus 2120 will be equal to 20. 1 plus 2 is 3 and 2 plus 2 is 4. 4320 meter square. So the answer for first bit will be 2804 meter. That is the length of the track along its inner edge, and the area of the track, the second bit answer will be 4320 meter square. Thank you.